Alright, this is a online application that is called YouiDraw. It's an app that can help students create logos, or an app that can help students or a teacher create something they can put on the bulletin board. So for my example, this is the YouiDraw that pops up when you are about to create a new art piece, and this is where your Canvas workspace is, and this is where you are going to design your own space. And over here, these are your colors, and each color has like their own gradient, so you can play around with that. Up here are fonts and how big you want something. Up here, this is little things where you can add text boxes, use a pen, draw your own shape. And then over here are just some examples or templates you can use. And then for my example, I'm just gonna create like a logo for myself. So I want a text. I'm gonna write my name. And then what I can do is I can copy and paste just a few times so I can get like my different text or fonts I want to use. So here's a font I like, that looks interesting, and then pick another font, maybe go a narrow. Here's an arrow. That one's kind of boring. We can do... that one's cool. And then I like... ooh, homemade apple. That's a cool one. Okay, so I can move these around. I want to use my last name bigger, so I'm going to use this font. So I just have to delete my first name. So I have one piece. See down here, there's nodes. There's 1, 2, 3 things I can move around on my canvas. But for right now, I'm going to keep that. And then I can move this to see which one I like more. I think I'm going to put that one on the top. So I'm going to delete this one. And then I'm going to get rid of my last name. Okay, so now that I have these 3 or these 2 things in place where I like them, I can change the colors. So I think I'm going to make my last name a dark color, and then my first name I can make a little lighter than the red, so maybe I'll pick like a pinky purple. Okay, so then there's my name. I'm almost done with my logo. I think I want to mess around with the shapes that they provide. Here's a Mickey Mouse. And to keep this same size without distorting it or something, all you have to do is hit the Shift key and just move the arrow. Like I just did. Show again. See that little arrow? Just shift and pull. And then just place it over your name. That's what I'm going to do. But because now I can't see my name, all I do is I go down here. I do my last name first. The little papers. And then you want to go up here and say, I want my last name to be brought to the front. So that's where that is. And then my first name, I'll do the same thing, bring to the front. And then I think I'm going to move them down just a little bit. Make that a little smaller. Then you just mess around. Shift. And then you can also change the color of the Mickey Mouse or any other of the shapes that you decided to choose and change that color. I think I'm going to do a light blue. Nope, that doesn't look right. So see, you can just change it and you can just rearrange. I wonder if there's a gold color. Alright, I like that one. And that is everything. Now with this, teachers can create their own logos for worksheets. Students can use this to work and create something for themselves. They can make this as personal as they want. I used my name and the Mickey Mouse head. I like Disney, so that's why I went with the Mickey Mouse head. The colors I went with because I like darker colors, so I went that for my first name. And it just kind of worked out because my favorite Disney princess is Rapunzel, so I got the gold in there, some purple, and hopefully future teachers like me or teachers that are already educators right now can help their students learn the YouiDraw logo creator. Thank you.